Today is video 4 in our little mini-series where I give you a sneak peek of the materials coming to SewYours.com. If you're local to our Dun Allen, Florida store, then these are available on our shelves now for you to shop. Today's video is going to be about our LinerTex prints and our water-resistant canvases. These are exclusive to Sew Yours. I personally designed these. So first up, we have our LinerTex. This is a bonded nylon fabric, and this print is called our Sand Petals print. This is going to be a great lining for any of your bags that have neutral tones on the exterior. So you can really pull out some grays, beige, cream colors. We got a camel or like a burnt umber color in there. So a nice abstract geometric kind of print going on right here. And here is our Shadow Vines print, also in our LinerTex. Next up, and the rest of these are going to be our water-resistant canvas prints. So they shed water, but because they do not have a PVC backing, they are not fully waterproof, so keep that in mind. This is our Painted Planks print. This is also going to be available in our printed vinyl, as I have right here. And you can see how the different fabrics take the ink differently. So this one has a little bit more deeper, darker saturation than the printed vinyl. And here we have our Daisy Dusk print. We had this in our water-resistant cotton canvas. It sold really well, so I thought I would bring it in the water-resistant canvas. So now we have that available for you. And just the same, our Burgundy Bloom print did really good in the cotton canvas, so now we have it in the water-resistant canvas. Next up, our water-resistant canvas in the Rustic Fog print, another great neutral that you can pair a lot of colors with. And the next one is pretty fun. It's a little different. I'm calling this one Safari Stone. So it kind of gives me the feeling of a giraffe, but also looks like a pebble stone walkway. So another great abstract neutral that you can pair in your bags for linings. People also like to use our canvas and LinerTex for the exterior of their bags as well. So that's all I have for you today. Tomorrow I'll have the final video in our little series right here giving you sneak peeks at what is to come in December at SewYours.com. Make sure that you sign up for our newsletter to be notified whenever all these new products go live, and make sure you check out the prior videos so you can keep up to date at what to expect here at Sew Yours.